สรุปก็คือพังแต่ยังไม่เริ่ม Hello guys, welcome to our plant-based patties company. The product of our company is plant-based patty product by using pumpkin seed as the texture vegetable protein.
For project scope, the problem statement is soybean flavor can be acceptable to some consumers when soybean are used in food products. For business case, reason for the project that we need to do this project is most plant-based meat products still use soybean as their main raw material, resulting in a distinct soybean flavor. And we are brainstorm to find a solution to reduce soy flavor. We get 3 options. Will it has same objective to reduce soybean flavor, but option 1 and 2 also help about texture. But option 1 use pumpkin seed, option 2 use peat, and option 3 process soybean for solve the problem.
For the benefit of each option, in option 1, it can be reduced the soybean flavor by pumpkin seeds are contain medium chain fatty acid and high degree of unsaturation and higher protein content than soybean. The option 2 is reduce allergy from soybeans because pea has no allergens and high in antioxidants. In option 3, consumer can easily consume because the smell of the product has been adjusted to attract more consumers. For the cost, in option 1, 2, 3, the cost is same but different in the raw material and ingredient. For option 1, the raw material taking 30,000 baht. Option 2 is 20,000 baht, and option 3 is 12,500 baht. But different in a liquid nitrogen freeze drying machine and sodium bicarbonate for more. Next, for the risk of each option, in option 1, the risk is lack of the ingredients, and option 2 is the taste of product does not meet the consumer needs, and the option 3 is the reducing soybean flavor process is insufficiency. And for the schedule, we plan to do the research and planning in first 2 weeks, then supplying raw material in 2 weeks, and do the research and development around 1 month before go to the sensory evaluation, taking around 2 weeks. Then we will adjustment to the consumer need around 2 weeks, and then we do the manufacturing, taking around 1 month. Then for the assessment, in option 1, we will obtain the product with low protein content, and the product will not contain medium chain fatty acid that's expected, and it still has a soybean flavor because of using soybean as a main ingredient. In the option 2, it still contains allergen from soybean and cannot reduce the soybean flavor. It also has a lower antioxidant content. In the option 3, it still remain the soybean flavor, which must to affect to the change of ingredient in the next production process. According to these 3 options, we recommend you in the option 1, which use pumpkin seeds as the texture vegetable protein instead of soybean to reduce soybean flavor. The reason is the raw material is easy to find and give the higher nutrient value when compared with the other, and it can reduce the soybean flavor, which is the main problem for this project.
In the part of facility layout, This will show you about the overall facility layout that related to the processing flow, which are include 8 total rooms. Start with the receiving room and 2 of storage rooms. One of storage room is for raw material and another one is for packaging material. And another 5 main rooms are processing room, packaging room, quality control, wholesale room, and the last one is distribution part. I will explain more about the machine that are located in each rooms. Start with the soaking machine for cleaning the raw material. Extruder and vacuum machine is used for prepare the texture vegetable protein. And for fat analog will prepare by bowl chopper and freezing machine. Then vacuum mixing machine is used to combine the texture vegetable protein and fat analog together. Then cutting by full strip cutting machine and forming by forming machine. The next room is packing room, include packing machine and auto load cartoner for packing the product in the carton. And the next thing that I will talk is about the design, the process layout that resulting from the layout that present before, which we select the block diagram, and this slide show the overall process layout with more clear. And the next topic is about the revenue.
After the product has been launched, of course, we must also expect the revenue to be received. And for plant-based patties, we are expected total revenue is around 59 million baht. This expected value will come from a total final product that we plan to produce a year, which is piece 120 baht. For capital cost, there are many expenditure to production, so we must to find a capital cost resource, and we decide to borrow money from the Krungsri banks because its low value of interest per year than other bank, and the other offer that bank provide is good too. For operating cost, to produce the plant-based patties, it has a lot of cost, and we estimate the total operations cost is around 8 million baht, that including bank charge, machine, accounting, and legal fees, sales and marketing, and wage. Next.
Cost estimation. For the cost estimation, we have expense related to rubber, material, equipment, service, software, hardware, facilities, contingency cost. For the total cost around 65 million baht. Break-even analysis. After we estimate all costs of production, we have to calculate T-value, which including these to evaluate to break-even point. After we calculate each cost, we need to find out the break-even point, which is shown you on this page. And we found that the product must be sold around 663,200 units to get the break-even. Thank you for attention.